I have the hiccups. Again, for all of you who've seen my last video, I have hiccups again. These are my natural hiccups, not making them up. Yeah.